Hello everybody and welcome back to Random Clips of the Day. And today we're going to have some more random clips. And here we go. Oh yeah, remember everybody, y'all got to comment and subscribe down below, okay everybody? So hope you like the video. Bye. I'm going to jump on this thing. Wee. Oh! Woo. Wow, hottie. Huh? I wonder what I would look like in the skirt. I'm so beautiful. Oh. Driving in my car. Wait, I don't know how to drive. Ah! Thank you for watching the random clips of the day. Remember, comment, subscribe. Bye.